Open this for me, I got no hands. There you go. You know you gotta put it back.
What?
You have to fill it up. You have to fill it up. Ah, the GoPro. So, where you just did a burnout at?
What?
Where you just did a burnout right there.
Oh, I'll fill that in, yeah.
Yeah.
I just got to turn it neutral.
That's crazy. This kid has me carrying everything for him. I could barely carry. There we go, I got it. Okay. I got everything.
Hey, I'm gonna follow you guys so I don't get caught on the road.
Oh yeah, that's all feet motion right there.
Huh?
That's all feet. That's all feet. No hands. Okay. Can you, he's gonna follow us, so I'll show you.
He's gonna follow us, or we gonna follow
Yeah.
him?
No, he's gonna follow us.
Close that door.
Come on. We're going forward. Our thing could zoom in.
Where am I going?
I'll just tell you where. So you're gonna take you're gonna go left.
Okay. But weren't you going to his house?
Yeah, that's where we're going. And I think that he ran out of gas. He might have ran out of gas.
So what are you gonna do if he runs out of gas?
We're gonna put it on reserve and we're gonna go to his house. And if he has gas,
He has gas?
like,
Okay, where did it go?
what happened?
Nothing, I was waiting for you.
Oh, okay.
I'm just don't know where we're going. Oh.
That way. All the way down to my bus stop.
Oh, you're gonna
Yeah. Is there a reason? No. Nice. Look at him. Oh, that's gonna be a while.
Right here?
To the stop sign. And then you're gonna turn right. Don't know my left or right.
Right.
Yeah. Like he's gonna stay on the road, I guess? Or where is he at? Oh, he is. You're just gonna keep going. No. The sun's kind of in the way, so I can't get good angles.
Right there, right there.
Yeah, keep going. He's gonna go over here. No, it's fine.
The good thing I'm pretty sure because I'm like
That was a seat, not me. Did I drop my gloves at they're right here, okay.
So if you need a ride, does he know there's a car coming?
Where?
In the front.
Oh yeah. Oh god.
Oh, that
Yeah, keep going.
way. Can I keep going?
You're gonna turn right here. Oh, and
I turn right where?
right here. So like you're gonna not go on the top, but
On the bottom.
yeah, you're gonna go on the bottom. And you're gonna stay out of that fence.
Right.
Yeah, you're gonna turn right here. Look, just follow him. Easy, because there is a lot of
I be careful.
what?
He's the back slid.
I don't know. Yep, you do that all the time. Careful, because if you're on that side, there's gonna be bumps, and then once you pass his grandma's house,
Which is his grandma's house.
right here.
Oh yeah, I see those big holes.
Ow! That hurt.
Sorry. I can go out straight, huh? Does it keep going?
Yeah. And you're gonna go on this side right here.
I can't see.
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah, right here. So you don't hit any bumps and you get flat.
Oh, okay. I see what you're doing. Because I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah. Careful, because there are holes right there. And look what him. He's doing wheelies. I can't do wheelies. I'm not that good.
How am I gonna get out of here?
Same way.
Oh my gosh, what did you do?
Oh, he's doing wheelies. That's his normal thing. I don't do wheelies because I love my bike too much.
Like that blister I have on my mouth is like awful. Where's my purse?
Your purse is right there.
Sorry. You mean I'm gonna have to go back this way?
Yep. There's no other way. They closed that because they got mad at us for who knows what reason. I wasn't there.
Oh, they closed that.
Yeah, they closed
It's
it.
because old people don't like kids with on bikes like that.
Oh yeah, old people definitely don't like me, especially the ones in my neighborhood. And usually the back road was our safe area. But now what we do is,
Can't I get out through there?
no. I just told you can't go.
Oh, yeah, they closed it.
Yeah, I just said that.
So where am I going?
You're gonna go the same way.
Okay.
Except you won't have me that will eat the dashboard when you brake very hard.
Well, call me if you want me to pick you up.
For school.
Where am I gonna stop?
I mean, up there because
Where?
his house is right here.
Okay, so am I gonna stop right here?
You can. Okay.
All right, mijo. God bless her. Love you. Be
Oh, this
careful.
is gonna be painful.
And you have to take his thing to drink.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna make him get his stuff. Because this kid, he is a different creature, Grandma, I'm telling you. Look. Okay. Wait, just stay here for a little minute.
I will. I'm not in there. I'm not in there.
Hey, get your stuff.
What's wrong with that?
I don't know, its legs are broken.
His back legs are broken?
Yep.
Oh
What?
my God.
You get it.
I said I'm getting my bag.
Oh, I thought you said get my bag.
What's wrong with your kitty, mijo? Oh, his legs are broken.
We're gonna put this. Oh, it's so
Thank you.
put the GoPro on here. I'm gonna make sure it's tightened this time so when I'm on the go-kart doesn't mess up the camera angle like it's done the last 2 times.
First thing we should do is, you ride the big bike over there, but you should let me get footage of riding on the ditch, bro, because that shit's fucking sick.
Okay. Oh wait, I'm stupid.
Oh my God. Too focused on looking at the viewers.
Yeah. I wasn't even paying attention either.
You can post this on your YouTube.
Mhm.
We gotta edit it though.
I don't even know. I just put.
Send it into your phone.
I do. I just.
Send it to my phone, then I'll put it in CapCut. Like we gotta edit this part out, probably.
Yeah. I just don't have time to edit. I just group all the photos or all the videos together on CapCut, and then I just go.
Nice.
Yeah. It's just my daily basis of doing this. I'm going for a ride around.
Well, cause I'm literally putting my bag into my parents' bike. Well, yeah, I gotta air up the trash and stuff. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's bring my whistle.
Alright. Let's take a picture to my grandmama's. I'm not gonna listen to music right now. This takes way too much time, and the GoPro's at 30%. Okay. Alright. Now, take this thing up. Just take it straight to her car. So it should be recording now.
Yeah, that's you can flip by the hoodie. Just gonna ride around the farm. Little home max.
Alright.
Just press the gas. Don't run into the pit bike.
Should I move that first?
Um,
Or do you-